Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The events that happened today, the change of leadership, was legit, was legal, because it was based on Supreme Court decision.
Narinig nyo legit. Okay? Supreme Court decision. Base pa yan mga kaiks. Dahil A.I. Chang.
The Avellino versus Cuenco case way back in 1949. February 18, 1949.
1949.
There was also a precedent in 2017 when Senator Frank Drilon was the Senate President. There was a quorum, 12 of them, because out of the 24, 3 were in prison. Sa kulungan po yung tatlong senador. 5 po ang nakabakasyon, kaya 12 po ang nagkaroon po sila ng quorum. So we have a precedent. The reason why we have to do this, there's already a violation of the Constitution. 3 straight days po. They blatantly disregard the rule of law, the Constitution. So we have to act. And we are very fortunate that one of them, member of the majority before, Senator Jesus Cordero, do not conform and do not believe in what they are fighting for.
So sa maliit sabi, mga kaiksena, hindi na natutuwa daw si Jesus Cordero at hindi na, ang tawag dito, hindi na masaya, hindi niya gusto yung ginagawa na, hindi nakaaya-aya, ganun.
Hindi po siya naniniwala because he believes na yung kanilang pinaglalaban ay mali po. Na yung kanilang pagbo-boycott ay para ipagtanggol lamang ang ilang sa mga kasamaan nila. So the guy suddenly made a decision today to join para magkaroon po kami ng quorum. And you may ask, bakit hindi? Is there quorum? Yes, there is. We're just considered 22 now. So divided by 2, that's 12 plus, 11 plus 1 is 12. So we have a quorum. Dalawa po sa amin, yung isa nagtatago, yung isa nakakulong. So we only have, ang bilang po ay 22. So divided by 2, yung sabi po na majority, para makuha majority, divided by 2, it was 11 plus 1, and that was Jesus Cordero nga po arriving today. So na-break po yung impasse when Senator Escudero showed up today because na sinasabi niya po sa amin, he doesn't believe anymore on what they're fighting for. Number 2, there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on Monday. We are just moving the scheduled date from tomorrow to prepare all members. Matter of fact, I declare and I manifested that all members of the Senate, be in the majority and the new minority now, they are all members of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Para wala pong masabi na ika nga may hocus-pocus. Now, pertaining to those invited resource persons, hindi po ako sang-ayon because we have to review these people. May sasabihin po ba talaga? Mayroon po bang i-disclose? We have to review this. Number 2, the proper way to...
Kumbaga dapat matuto na tayo kay Gutesa. Diba? Hindi pwede yung basta ka na lang dyan magngangangal-ngal, magtututuro ng kung sino-sino, tapos bigla kang mawawala. Mag-iiwan ka lang ng pasabog na wala namang patunay. Yun eh. Ganun ang planong gawin ng mga hudas bukas. Oo.
To invite resource persons, you do not give it out to the media. You give it to the members first. Ang nangyari po kanina, yung lista na sinasabi nila invited sa Blue Ribbon, hindi po dumaan sa tamang process.
Diba?
It should have been given first to the members para kung may dadagdag, may papabawas doon, sabihin hindi, wala ito. The members should have been consulted.
Magulo talaga yung magulo talaga yung dating majority na minority na ngayon, yung mga hudas na senador. Napakasimple lang ng proseso. Putang ina nyo. Kayo sabi ng sabi, proseso. Tapos kayo kung hindi marunong sumunod sa proseso, boom! Lagay ko kayo sa rep eh.
Kaya, you have to give me time until Monday next week. Kung sino po at yung oras po at exactly 9 a.m. on Monday, there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing.
Monday.
Thank you.
Sir,
Question.
kung majority na po kayo, sir, bakit po acting SP? Why not SP?
Because it's 13. It's in the law. Kailangan mo 13. We don't have 13. So, but then we can elect the pro tempore because it doesn't say 13. Senate President. So, Senator Cayetano is still the Senate President. Because we don't have 13. It's against the law naman, di ba? We only have 12. So, well, he will be a virtual Senate President.
Pero,
It is what the law says. You have to have 13. We don't. We only have 12. No, Senate pro tempore. Acting President. Acting
Senate
Senate.
President.
But he's the presiding officer from now on. So, kay hindi pumasok Senator Cayetano, it will be Senator
Win.
Win who will be presiding from now on.
Just to clarify, eventually magiging Senate President dahil may liliban pa ba from the majority?
Kung may lilipat pa, kung may mahimasmasan ngayon ng mga kasamaan nila, and I still urge, we're still open. Doon po sa mga members po ng majority, please join us. We will accept you with open arms. Let's work together for the nation, not for ourselves, not for the political parties, not for certain individuals, but for the entire country. Let's work together. We will accept you. We will embrace you.
Sir, kung hindi nakaka-13, mananatili pa rin Senate President ngayon si Senator Alan.
Say again? Well, right here in Rule 4 of the Senate, Section 5, it says, a pro tempore may act as acting president.
acting Senate President.
Acting Senate President, ang pro tempore.
Sir, did you know paano
Sir,
po
kung usap
naging...
kay Senator Cheese para sumama po sa grupo.
Oh, well, Senator Mix. And then, actually, yesterday pa he's not very happy anymore. Then, we really thought na yesterday he would join us, but he did not. He was thinking it over, consulting his family, his friends. And then, kanina morning, he said he will attend. But we didn't expect it.
So kanito kasi mga kaiksena, so maliwanag sinasabi na Lunes ang magiging continuation ng Blue Ribbon Committee sa hearing ng flood control. So yung pinaplano nila Cayetano, nila Marcoletang ewan, na bukas daw magkakaroon sila ng Blue Ribbon. Kahit nga mga kaiksena yung yung subcommittee, illegally, hindi legal yun yung ginawa nila na yun No. So doon pa lang may sabit na sila Marcoleta at saka sila Cayetano. Okay? Dahil tas ngayon napalitan pa. So kung ipipilit nila bukas na gawin yung balak nila, lalo't iba na rin ang Sergeant at Arms at Secretary ng Senate. Wala na, talsik na yung nilagay ni ni Cayetano. Kaya nga ito mga kaiksena, malaking gulo mangyayari pag pinagpilitan ni Cayetano at ni Marcoleta. At kaya nga nagyayaya mga kaiksena nga ng vigil. Naghahaya na si Cayetano na pumunta daw yung mga kababayan natin sa Senado. For what? Para gumawa na naman ng drama kagaya nung the Senate is under attack. Ina mo.
Kasi kahapon he said he'll come but he did not. So kanina, we were surprised when he joined us, when he arrived.
Oo.
No, pag 12 po pwede, kasi majority na kami.
Of the 22.
Of the 22, because it should be 11. Divided by 2, 22 divided by 2 is 11. Plus 1, so we have 12.
But that math cannot be applied on SP.
Not on SP. I'm sorry, not on SP. That's why we did not elect a Senate President, because we'll be violating a law. We'll be violating the Constitution.
Sir, was there any promise to SP, to Senator Cheese, or talagang na-enlighten lang siya?
He was enlightened. I mean, kaya nga po, niyakap tayo kanina, we were surprised, because Sen Mix was already, we asked Sen Mix kanina, Meron bang kapalit? May sinasabi sa niya? Wala naman. Nothing.
Sir, kailan na sigurado na dadating si Senator Cheese?
There was none. Kanina nung nag-caucus kami ng 1 o'clock, wala pa eh. Kasi yesterday said na he will join, but he did not.
Well, so yung mga bandang alas 3 na sa session hall kayo, were you losing hope na nadadating siya?
I was already preparing what to tell you guys na pag hindi na naman sila sumipot, na I will say na bahala na ang taong bayan.
Gano'n po katotoo, sir? Gano'n katotoo na...
Sir Lee, may nagsasabi, nilakad ng palasyo yung pagpunta rito ni Senator Cheese.
Wala namang kapalit. I mean, bakit yung number 2? Bakit nakikialam ang palasyo? Bakit nakikialam? I mean, this is a Senate. I mean, we're another branch of government, di ba?
Sir, what will happen pag nag-resurface si Bato?
Then, pag dumating siya, it's okay. I mean, we welcome him.
But that would make
Huli. Pag dumating si Bado, huli.
Well, we already declared it. Kung susipot siya.
Sir, sino na maging...
Kung susipot siya.
Kung sisipo.
Clarify, right now we have a Senate President and an acting Senate President. Ano po yung difference and limits ng mga functions and roles nila?
Well, actually, vacant yung Senate President. I mean, because may acting na tayo, di ba? There's an acting President. Si Sen Win, in his capacity as pro tempore, until a new Senate President is elected. And the only way that we can elect is we will have 13. Otherwise, we cannot elect a new Senate President. So we will be, the Senate pro tempore will be the acting
Acting.
Senate President.
Acting.
Sir, if SB Alan arrive,
Malinaw naman siguro mga kaiksena, naintindihan nyo ibig sabihin, di ba? Paki-comment naman diyan kung naintindihan nyo yung ibig sabihin. Baka kasi ibang mga kababayan natin iisip, Senate President na si Win Gatchalian. Acting. Kaya siya Senate pro tempore. Okay? Naintindihan po ba? O, tuloy tayo.
on Monday, he will preside.
Definitely.
And not Senate.
He will preside.
Because he remains to be the SB.
Yes, he will preside.
Can we say na hindi stable pa yung kasalukuyan na majority?
I think it's already stable because 12 kami, 10 lang sila.
Pero yung president, Senate President, hindi pa rin sino.
Yeah, yung Senate President, yes. But what can he do? I mean, he might be a virtual president dahil majority na kami, di ba? 12 to 10.
Sir, pag sinabi ni Senator Marcoleta yung kanyang blue ribbon, how will you assert your blue ribbon?
Yeah, yung
That's illegal na po, yung kanyang tomorrow. We have already instructed the Senate, the OSAA, the Senate Sergeant at Arms, the Senate Secretary.
Sir, sabi niyo,
Na all seats vacant na po, di ba? We declared it. So, illegal na po yung gagawin niya because there's already a new Blue Ribbon Chairman.
Sir, kung matutuloy tomorrow, wag daw po corrupt dahil may mga minority na pwede daw hong madawit doon sa flood control anomalies.
So, doon, kung sabi na, sana tinignan niya muna yung kagrupo niya. Ilan doon ang sabit.
Kung yung po ang tawag ay majority na.
Of course. Yes. Because the new majority, there's 12 of us. There's 12 of us. And then, another thing. Did you hear Senator Cheese abstain? Hindi naman So he did not abstain. Doon sa mga, when we said, when Senator Win said na declare all committee seats vacant, except for the Senate presidency.
Senator, paano pag magpumilit na maghiling bukas yung Blue Ribbon Committee under Senator Cayetano or
I don't know how they will do that because there's already instruction to the Senate Sergeant at Arms. There's a new Sergeant at Arms.
ano instruction, sir?
They will not be. And then there will be, we're contacting now the House of Representatives that this is the Senate new majority. And even Malacanang, there's already communication. We're just waiting for the reply.
Even the guests, hindi po papapasukin tomorrow. For instance, if the 18 ex-Marines surface,
This is invalid already. This is already a press conference, right? I'm telling you, I'm the new Blue Ribbon Committee chair because there's a new Senate majority.
Siguro sa mga oras nung nalaman ni Marcoleta to, no, baka inihika yun. Boom! No? Siguro panay ang ano ni Marcoleta, hindi na natuloy-tuloy yung pangarap ko. Sabi mo, gawin mo akong chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee, kaya tano. Bakit di natuloy na naman ang Boom! Sa galit, tinampas yung pilo ka, oh.
majority. Yung sinasabi po nila sila Senator Marcoleta, hindi na po sila majority, nasa minority. They only have 10. Na kung gusto mo pumunta na
Thank you, Faye. Ingat ka palagi, ha. Papasok ka na ba sa work? Matutulog? Ano ba? Oh, thank you,
mga Marines, magmerienda, pamerienda na lang dyan. Meron naman,
Pamerienda. Wag na, sayang lang ang pera. Pamerienda yun pa yung mga fake news sa Marites na yan, ano? Oh.
Monday, sir, yung mga Marines na
Sigurado, no, Spirato, baka sa nangyari ngayon, maging kulay ng piluka ni Marcoleta, burgundy. Boom! O kaya chestnut brown. Sa inis niya. Pakulay ako, pantay yung piluka ko. Gawin yung chestnut brown. Pang lola.
or yung ibang guest sana bukas, invited pa sila on Monday.
we will review upon consultation with the new members. Like I said, everybody is a member of the Blue Ribbon.
Sorry, sir.
Kasama po si Senator Marcoleta, kasama po si kung gusto niya pa ang ex-officio Senate President Cayetano.
Sir,
They're all invited.
Sir, sabi nila SP Alan, all of this is para hindi matuloy yung hearing nila on the flood control anomaly.
Meron na ngayon Monday, di ba?
Pero hindi, yung kanila, yung for tomorrow dapat. Are you denying that allegation? Yung version nila?
Yeah, of course. Because, number one, okay, subcommittee, dapat i-constitute ang subcommittee upon the instruction of the chairman of the committee. Sino ba yung chairman nun? Si Senator Pia Cayetano. Number two, yung mga invitations, hindi man lang dumaan, kahit naman lang sa minority leader. Ang minority leader is the ex-officio of the Blue Ribbon. Wala, hindi siya binigyan ng copy. Mabuti pa ang media meron. So, that's another violation of the rules of the Senate. Dapat ba yung mga...
Grabe, no? Ganong kabalasubas mga kaiksena yung ano, no? Yung 13 hudas o sabihin natin 12 hudas. Isipin nyo mga kaiksena, binigyan nila ng kopya media. Pero yung minority leader dati, sila Tito Sen, hindi. Pata sila Pampilo, walang ibinigay. Ano to, hindi nila ibinigay para hindi nila malaman kung sino yung mga dadalot, para hindi nila masalungatan, di ba? O kumbaga para kondinahin. O sino to? Ba't atin nyo to? Ba't ganito to? Di ba? So yun na nakikita kong dahilan dito eh. Kaya hindi nila pinaalam eh. May plano talaga. Hindi ho yun, hindi ho yun paglalabas ng katotohanan. Kasi dapat sumusunod ka sa rules, sumusunod ka sa proseso, at sa gagawin nila Marcoleta tsaka itong putang ina si Alan Peter Cayetano, pala desisyon. Boom! Diba? Kaya nga kayo may rules dyan eh, yun na sundin nyo. Inan to.
resource persons, ang bigyan mo yung mga member ng committee para mapag-aralan nila, para we can formulate questions, anong itatanong ko dito? Not the media, because the media cannot ask them questions.
Correct. Di ba? Paano nga yan scrutinizing? Di ba? Oh. Saka paano magpapakontempt? Halimbawa, nagsisinungaling yung 18 Marines. O paano nila i-contempt yun kung wala naman silang walang minority. Eh, sila nga may dala yun, majority dati. Oh. Diba? So, malamang, kung yung Diskaya nga noon, binibaby ni Marcoleta, paano pa yung tsaka si Gutesa, paano pa tong si 18 Marines, putol na po. Basahin mo sa paragraph 20, dahan-dahan na tumatalong ka Safe ka na.
Not the bloggers.
So wala kayong hinaharap doon sa katotohanan?
No, we of course, we will look yung mga, we will still invite those people, some of those, pero we will have to, review yung list nila. Hindi yung kung sino-sino, wala nang pakundangan. May mga pangalan ako na hindi ko nakilala, hindi naman contractor. Sino ba yung mga yun? Nakita ko may mga 18 Marines na yun. So we will have to consult, of course, the members until Friday.
Kakaroon na kayo may elect ng USP pag may lumipat na po sa inyo?
Say again? Kung may lumipat, yeah, then we can convince, then we will elect. And, I hope so. But for now, ang sigurado lang is 12.
Ginawa po ninyo, anong mensahe nito kay Senator Alan Peter Quezon?
Ang mensahe, ang tao pagod na po. Ang mensahe, lahat po nadadamay, pati po ang minority na pumapasok kami, ang gulo-gulo ng Senado, wala na kayong ginawa. Nakakahiya din po, pinapasweldohan kami araw-araw. Pagkatapos 3 days, it's a violation of the Constitution. So we really have to act drastically. Ito na nga po. Kung sinasabi lang, wala silang quorum, walang bilang. Paano walang bilang? There's only 22 of us now. Yung isa nagtatago, ay na magpakita. Sinasabi mo, sana, kung magpakita, sana magpakita siya. Sana hindi siya magtatakbo sa hagdanan ulit. Mag-stay siya dito sa floor, bumoto siya. Sige, let's go.
With that po, Senator, I think Senator Cheese is also facing a grave complaint before the Ombudsman.
Yes.
Paano kung ma-aresto din siya?
Kung may warrant of arrest. If there's a warrant of arrest. Pero there's no warrant of arrest pa naman. Ongoing po yung investigation.
If he will be arrested, what will happen?
Well,
Will he
depends.
still remain the majority?
It depends to the ombudsman po, di ba? Then we have to talk it over, di ba?
Sir, paano yung impeachment?
Well, one by one. I'll take formal questions.
Isa-isa lang.
Impeachment will be precised by Senator Win.
We'll have to choose. We'll have to choose from amongst ourselves.
Hindi po si Senator.
Not yet. We'll have to choose.
Sir, pwede yun kahit naka-adjourn na kayo? Pwede niyong i-elect ng mga
Kayo ang Senator.
No, that will be done on July 6th.
Sir, di bang SP automatically siya yung presiding officer?
Di ba yung magiging
The July 6th, we'll still follow the July 6 schedule. Then doon po, na mag-elect kami ng impeachment trial officer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay tayo.
Paano natin i-address kung isang majority kaya kayo?
Bago natin puntahan si Cayetano, may papakita muna ako sa inyong video. Ano yun, Drek? Wait lang ha. Wait lang. Ito. So, bigyan muna natin ano ang sinabi ng Malacanang o ng Palasyo sa nangyaring balasahan na naman o pagpapalit ng posisyon sa Senado. Ito, pakinggan muna natin bago tayo pumunta sa live selling.
Magandang araw, Malacanang Press Corps. May mahalagang mensahe po ang Palasyo. Ang nangyari sa Senado ngayong hapon ay naaayon sa batas at rule of law.
Maliwanag, okay? Kaya kung may mga tatanga-tanga mga DDS yan, o humanap kayo sa batas na nagsasabing illegal yung nangyari. Simple as that.
Kinikilala at nirerespeto ng Palasyo ang desisyon ng bagong mayorya at ang liderato ni Acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. Maraming salamat po.
Yun lang. Di ba? Maliwanag tayo Ultimong Palasyo, Malacanang, sinabi po na naayon sa batas, rule of law, ang nangyari. Okay, wait lang kumatinting ako.